In this video, we will be looking at how to create a dictionary and what dictionaries are. First, create a new idle file called basics9 and save it. Dictionaries allow us to store data in key-value pairs. So what does this mean? Imagine if we create a list that contains 4 items, 1 named shoe, 1 named drawer, 1 named bottle, and finally 1 named password. Those items are our key values. Now what if we want to assign a pair to those values? For instance, we want shoe to have an associated value called foot. We want drawer to have an associated value called t-shirts. We want bottle to have an associated value called water, and finally, we want password to have an associated value called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A dictionary allows us to do this by searching by the key term and bringing back the related value to the key. So, to create a dictionary with those keys and related values, in the script window type dictionary 1 equals curly bracket, then press enter. Then type apostrophe shoe apostrophe colon apostrophe foot apostrophe comma, then press enter. Then type apostrophe drawer apostrophe colon apostrophe t-shirts apostrophe comma, then press enter. Then type apostrophe bottle apostrophe colon apostrophe water apostrophe comma, then press enter. Then type apostrophe password apostrophe colon apostrophe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apostrophe, then finally press enter, backspace to remove any indents, and finish with the end curly bracket. Here we can see how a dictionary is formed. We have the keys on the left-hand side and the relating values on the right-hand side, all separated by colons. On a new line, if we type a print statement and print dictionary 1, then run the code, we can see that all the keys and their related values are brought back in the shell window. Now inside the print statement, if we specify a key, so, after the dictionary 1, type square bracket apostrophe shoe apostrophe end square bracket, then run the code. Here we can see that only the items stored in that key are brought back. If we want to see how many items are stored in our dictionary, then underneath the current print statement, type print len open bracket dictionary 1 close bracket close bracket. If we then press run, we can see that the number 4 is brought back for the 4 items in our dictionary. Now, what if we want to store more than one value inside of a key? For instance, for the key value of shoe, we want to store the value of sock as well as the value of foot. Let's go back to our dictionary statement, where we assign the value of foot to the key of shoe, put the foot inside square brackets, then at the end apostrophe, type comma, apostrophe, sock. Apostrophe. Here we have created a list and assigned it to the value of shoe. Now if we run the code, we can see that the 2 values in the list are brought back in the first print statement, where we specify the value of shoe. Here we can see how useful dictionaries can be to store lists. But what if we only wanted to bring back the value of sock to our print screen? Well, in the print statement, after we specify the key, after the square bracket, type another set of square brackets and put the value of 1 in it. Now run the code. Here we can see only the value of sock is brought back. Notice that the value we inserted was 1 and yet it brought back the second item in our list. This is because the list starts from 0. If we change the value from 1 to a 0 and then run the code, we can see that the first value in the list is brought back. Now, what if we want to update a value inside our dictionary? For instance, we wanted to swap the value of water out for the value of milk. Well, under the print statements, type dictionary 1 dot update open bracket curly bracket apostrophe bottle apostrophe colon apostrophe milk apostrophe end curly bracket end bracket. Now enter down and create another print statement that prints the values for the key bottle. Then run the code. We can see that the stored value in the key bottle has been updated to equal milk. What if we want to add a new key pair to the dictionary? Well, there are two ways of doing this. The first way is using the update method, so copy and paste the update line of code onto a new line. This time, let's say we want to add the key of hat and the value of head. Replace the word bottle with hat and the word milk with head, then copy and paste a new print statement to print out the whole dictionary and run the code. Here we can see that the new key pair has been added to the dictionary. The second way to add a key pair to the dictionary is as follows. On a new line, type dictionary1, open square bracket, apostrophe, glove, apostrophe, close square bracket, equals, apostrophe, hand, apostrophe. Then on a new line, copy and paste the previous print statement and run the code. Here we can see that the new pair has been added to the dictionary. So, what if we wanted to remove a pair from the dictionary? On a new line, type dictionary1, pop, open bracket, apostrophe, hat, apostrophe, close bracket. Then copy and paste the print statement to a new line and run the code. Here we can see that the pop statement removes the pair from the dictionary. Now, what if we wanted to loop through all of the keys and print their values to the shell window? Well, for this we can create a for loop. On a new line, type for, key, comma, value in dictionary1, items, open bracket, close bracket, colon. Then press enter. Then type print, open bracket, value, close bracket. Then run the code. Here we can see that all the values are brought back. If we wanted to bring back the keys instead, then we could replace the word value in the print statement for the word key.